In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in ClickUp, a powerful productivity platform designed to help you organize your work and your thoughts efficiently. Managing your tasks effectively is crucial, especially when you want to review the tasks you've completed and measure your progress. I'll take you through the simple process step by step, ensuring that at the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to view your completed tasks within ClickUp. First, let's start by accessing your ClickUp workspace. You'll want to navigate to your specific list, board, or table where you manage your tasks. This is the central hub of your work where all your tasks live, whether pending or completed. By accessing this area, you're setting the stage for effectively filtering through your tasks. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the Filter button. The filter feature in ClickUp is incredibly useful. It allows you to streamline your view and focus on what you want to see. Click on this button to open the filter options, which will help you gain clarity on your task list. Next, it's essential to ensure that your archived tasks are set to be off, unless you specifically want to see them as well. If you keep archived tasks visible, your view might become cluttered, making it harder to focus on your recently completed tasks. Setting archived tasks to off ensures that only the tasks you currently care about are shown and keeps your workspace clean. With archived tasks hidden, it's time to add a specific filter that zooms in on our completed tasks. In the filter options, look for status. You'll want to set this to Is and then choose Closed. Closed typically signifies the tasks that you've marked as finished. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might have several statuses that denote a task being done, so make sure to select all statuses that fall under the completed category. This way, ClickUp will include all relevant tasks that you've marked as complete, leaving no stone unturned. Once you've applied the filter with status set to Closed, you should see your completed tasks display alongside any active ones you've opted to view. This setup gives you a comprehensive perspective on what you've already accomplished, letting you acknowledge your progress. And there you have it, a straightforward method to view completed tasks in ClickUp. This process not only helps you track your progress, but also keeps you organized and motivated by showing how much you've achieved. Make sure to revisit and adjust your filters whenever necessary, as your work evolves over time. Thanks for watching,